This is an emergency Sunday broadcast, everyone. OpenAI is hosting their dev day tomorrow, and we're anticipating some major feature updates to the ChatGPT ecosystem. Let's take a look here from some speculation, unconfirmed leaks. Let's emphasize that, but this is from Rowan Cheng. He is the author of the Rundown newsletter, a very popular AI newsletter. I recommend you checking it out. Okay, the big update that I see here is around this idea of allowing users to publish and share their own custom ChatGPT models. So there's oftentimes instances where I would love just to have a very narrow function or a very narrow use case for a chat interaction and then share that with people, either within my audience, customers, clients, family members, friends. That I think that would be very helpful without them necessarily having to download ChatGPT on their side. If I'm reading this correctly, I as a ChatGPT power user will be able to give a model custom instructions, give it specific data sources to look at, and fine tune it and share that externally, say with my mom, my friend, a client, a customer, etc. So that looks very interesting. The second part here is this marketplace function that we're speculating is going to be announced tomorrow. So I'm going to be able to craft this model and then put it in a marketplace for other people to discover and to potentially buy. And that's going to be really cool too. For me as a ChatGPT power user, this would be awesome. This would give me the ability to share the power and the functionality of ChatGPT with less friction. A couple of buckets come to mind. One is around productivity. So what if you had a custom chat model that helped you start your day with gratitude and listing out the priorities for the day, things that you have to look out for, and that could maybe come back to you midday and hold you accountable. You could do that for the beginning of the day. You can do that at the end of the day as a reflection. You could do that at the beginning of the week. You could do that at the end of the week. There's a lot of use cases around that, and just helping people and guiding them through a structured way of reflecting and planning out their day. The other big use case is around CFA tutoring. I do a fair amount of CFA tutoring for folks. That's a financial designation, and I get a lot of the same types of questions, both on the technical side, but also on the mental side and around preparing for the exam. I'd love to be able to wrap up my expertise in a custom ChatGPT model and share that with someone so that even though I'm not on the call with them, which might happen once every 2 weeks or once a week, they can still engage with me, or at least engage with some expertise to help them get through some minor parts that are obstructing them. Then the third part is around my tutoring with data professionals and helping them articulate their story and develop their brand. There's a couple questions that come up there. I would love to have a chat bot that can help automate some of that or provide that in a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week type of fashion. So a number of use cases are coming to mind. I'm wondering if you have one that you think that I should be exploring. Drop it below and we'll talk about it. And I'm really excited about this. Once this drops, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be one of the first folks in there developing custom ChatGPT models and sharing that with people. There's just so many instances where I just want to share one particular instruction or one particular type of model to someone and do that very seamlessly. And I think this might address that. So looking forward to this and curious to hear your thoughts. Drop them below. Talk to you soon. Bye.